ഒരു കാര്യങ്ങളോ സ്പീച്ചിക്ക് പോയിട്ടുള്ള ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്പീച്ച് കേട്ടാ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഷാസിൻ.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala rasulil karim. Amma ba'd. Today I am going to say some facts about science in Islam. So before saying the facts, let us learn what is science in Islam. Science in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, as shall show them our signs in the universe within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. Quran Surah 41 Ayah 53. The Quran, the book of Islam, is the final revelation from God to humanity and in the last in the line revelations given to the prophets. Although the Quran was revealed over 1400 years ago, is not primarily a book of science. It does contain scientific facts that have only been discovered by the technology and scientific knowledge. Islam encourages reflections and scientific research because understanding the nature of creation enables people to further appreciate their creator and his extent of his power and wisdom. So let us go to the fact number 1, origin of life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran as وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. And we made every living thing from water. Will they not believe? Here water is pointed out as origin of all life. All living things are made up of cells, and we know that cells are mostly made of water. This was only discovered after the invention of microscopes in deserts of Arabia. It would be inconceivable to think that someone would guess that all life came from water. Fact number 2, iron sent down. We know that iron is not natural to this earth, as it came to this planet from outer space. Scientists have found that billions of years ago the earth was struck by meteoroids which would carry iron from distant stars which had exploded. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, we send down iron with its great inherent strength and its many benefits to humankind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses the word send down. The fact that iron was sent down to this planet is something which could not known by the primitive science of 7th century. Fact number 3, mountains. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala draws our attention to an important characteristic of mountains. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Alam naj'al lahu arda mihada wal jibala awtada. And did we not make the world a resting place and the mountains as stakes? The Quran accurately describes the deep roots of mountains by using the word stakes. Mount Everest, for example, has an approximate height of 9 km above ground, while its route is deeper than 125 km. The fact that mountains have deep stakes like roots was not known until after the development of the theory of plate tectonics in the beginning of 20th century. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala again says in the Quran as mountains also have a role in stabilizing the earth so that it would not shake. This was just begun to be understood by the scientist. Fact number 4, the two seas that do not mix. Regarding to the seas, our creator says, Marajal Bahrain yaltaqiyan bainahuma barzakhul la yabghiyan. He had let loose two seas converging together with a barrier between them, which they do not break through. A physical force called surface tension prevents waters of neighboring seas from mixing. Due to the difference in density of these waters, it is as if a thin wall were between them. And this was very recently been discovered by the oceanographers. So akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.